Okay guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. So right in this video we'll be talking about Celia mining project. So this project got launched recently, so I'm going to guide you on how to get started, because this is a huge project that is going to make massive profit for people that are able to grab the opportunity early. So that is why I've decided to present this video to you, so that those that are new to this mining project will kickstart and get started. So first of all, when you click on the link in the description of this video, it's going to take you to the registration page. I'll also drop another link that will take you to the Play Store, because this app is already launched on Play Store, so you can get yourself registered either through the website or via Play Store. So if you're downloading from the Play Store, what you need to do is to copy my referral link. So you put the referral link here. Make sure you turn this referral option on, because once you click on the link after registering the app, after installing the app, it's going to be turned off like this. So when you see this here, make sure you click here to turn it on, so that it will become turned on. So once it's turned on, what you need to do is to put your email, then you generate password for yourself, then you put my referral code, so that you receive sign up bonus of this Celia token. So once you've done that, you click on register. So how do you get to use this app? I'm going to log into my own account right away to show you how everything works, so that you can be able to start using the app and make a lot of money for yourself. So let's get started. Okay guys, I've successfully logged into my account. As you can see, this is how simple user friendly the dashboard is. So the token that will be mining on this app is called CLT. So this is Celia token. So this token is going to worth a lot of value in the near future. So you need to grab the opportunity. According to the information I'm getting, the mining section will be elapsing very soon, and also trading will be initiated as well. So you can follow this follow pop-ups of their social media platforms, such as Telegram and Twitter handles. You can get to connect with them, so that you stay updated guys. So first of all, once you are on your app like this, you can choose to use the light or the dark mode here. So just select it right here. Now let's go to the app proper. So when you click on the drawdown, you're going to see a lot of options here. So this first one is mine CLT. After you've seen your dashboard, so this where you locate the core team, and then here we have everything about Celia, as their such as their community, user level, referral, and frequently asked questions, including the chat option. Now what is your role here? So your role is to be mining every 24 hours by coming to your account. You click on this mine CLT. All right, so you need to click on mine CLT right now. So you wait for the page to load up. So you can see that I have about 11 hours remaining for this mining session to elapse. So you have to be very observant, so that you can be able to grab every single mining section. So you can mine up to 0.5 CLT. Remember, as the mining progresses, the value you'll be getting from each mining section will decrease. So that is how it is. You need to actually start mining right now, that the token is still enough, because they have a limited airdrop volume from the total supply. So what you need to do is to go ahead and copy your referral link and earn 5 CLT tokens from each referral that you are going to share your link with. So that is basically what you need to do. So in the next update, we'll be getting another version of the app that will guide us to understand more of this project. So you can follow them on their community section here. So you click on community, it's going to load up. Then you see that they have Telegram and follow on Twitter, and as well Instagram and Facebook. So they're also in LinkedIn. So that is basically what their handle constitutes. So you can also see that they have YouTube channel here, so you can connect with them here so that you stay updated while we benefit from this project. So guys, take it serious. I'll drop the link. Everything you need to do is to click and get started and start mining for free. So that is basically what this project is. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video.